Apronfools. So this is gonna be our first video in the Cooking with Apronfools series. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna make green curry chicken, green chicken curry basically. So now I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients that you need. Hari ni macam ingredients dia banyak sikit dari normal, but most of these things I get from my Dane. So we have daun limau purut, or like kaffir lime leaves. We have kaffir lime, kaffir. We have lengkuas, or macam mana, galangal. Okay, that will be sliced thinly. We have Thai basil. We have serai or lemongrass. We have daun ketumbar, or cilantro or coriander. So the seeds, we have cumin seeds, which is jintan. We have white peppercorns, and we have coriander seeds, which is biji ketumbar. And then we also have like Thai eggplant, brinjal, okay, round brinjal, small. So ni apa panggil terung Thai, okay ni. And then we have our fish sauce, okay. We have coconut cream and coconut milk. We have chili padi, of course. We have green chili. We have so the recipe calls for palm sugar. So we're gonna use pandan. We're gonna use NISANG in this recipe. And then we have belacan that we're gonna roast, bakar. We're gonna bakar the belacan later. Belacan ni, like, it's really up to you. You guys would have like your favorite brand and everything. So it's really up to you. We have bawang merah, okay. We are you're gonna need garlic, but I already have like pre-chopped garlic, so I'm just gonna use that. And of course, tak adalah green chicken curry kalau tak ada chicken, guys. Right? I'm gonna include the recipe in the description below. Let's get on to it. I have my belacan here, okay. We don't need like the whole block, so I'm just gonna bakar the belacan here. Okay, bila you bakar belacan ni, rasa dia lagi sedap lah. Okay, kita dah bakar belacan, so we're just gonna bakar biji ketumbar, which is coriander seed, and cumin, which is jintan. Okay guys, so semua yang kita nak, for the green curry paste, I've dah masukkan semua benda, potong apa benda semua dah dalam ni. So kita mula, jom. juice is ready. This is a big batch. I takkan guna habis pun. What you guys can do is like put it in a jar and put it in the fridge. Like I think up to 3-4 weeks boleh kot. Tapi make sure airtight lah, okay? So for this recipe, I'm gonna use 12 tablespoons. Okay. Ni tadi ada 9, so I'm just gonna add another 3 tablespoons. Okay guys, so ni kita nak tunggu dia pecah minyak and then kita masukkan santan pekat. But for now, you guys should just keep stirring so that kalau takut nanti yang bawah-bawah tu dia hangus like that. So kita tak nak dia hangus, okay? Kita teruskan je. Stir and stir and stir sampai dia nanti pecah minyak, ya kawan-kawan. Okay, now kita masuk the santan pekat, ya guys. Lepas ni kita boleh masuk ayam. So setengah orang like they like to like macam bukan rebus, macam celur ayam tu sekejap before masuk dalam ni. Tapi I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna like fry like masak the ayam terus dalam ni lah. Okay, now kita masuk ayam. Setengah dulu. Okay, so nak kita letak garam dalam 2 teaspoon kot, macam tu kot. Sebab ni I masak untuk like portion yang banyak. So garam tu kalau boleh you masuk dalam paste terus pun okey juga. So dia tak payah nak risau sekarang, but either way it's fine. Kita tunggu ayam masak sikit. So I'm gonna put cube pati ayam. I akan letak 2 cube lah. Sebab ayam I guna banyak kan. Kalau korang tak guna banyak, can use like half or 1. I think enough lah. Kita letak lagi satu, ni dah santan cair dah ni. And then at the end of everything, nanti kejap lagi baru kita letak lagi sekali another kotak of santan, okay? BESAR. Sebab kita guna tadi letak dalam apa? 3 tablespoons. Okay. Okay, nanti kita kacau lagi sekali. Kita letak benda lain dulu kejap. So now we're gonna put like fish sauce. The recipe calls for 3 tablespoons. Sebab I punya ni banyak, so I'm gonna put a bit more. I think I'm gonna put a bit more of the palm sugar juga. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Thai basil sauce, Thai basil basically. Okay. And then letak daun limau purut dalam 8 keping je tu. And then kita letak kita punya terung Thai tu tadi. Kita letak tomato. I tak makan pedas sangat, so I letak 6 je cili padi, but you guys can put the cili padi as much as you want lah. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put our last kotak of santan. Okay. Tahu lagi. Oh. Kalau ada periuk lagi besar, guna periuk lagi besar lagi, guys. Kita sini guna apa yang kita ada je. One, two, three. Sawadee-khap. Okay, so if you guys can see sekarang ni dah siap. So I'm just gonna get like Carmen to taste everything.
It's nice, it's like the terung is not too soft.
So ada crunchy lagi. Tomato lah, right? Yeah. Chicken. So guys, berjaya je, okay. So sekarang ni because like most of us are fasting, so I'm gonna pack this curry chicken untuk kita semua bawa balik. Tapi nanti kita tunggu diorang punya review sendiri, okay. Diorang kena hantar kat I. Bye.
Hello. So yeah, I want to test the green curry chicken yang Kak Yu masak tadi kat kedai and bagi kita orang bawa balik for testing and feedback. So yeah, kita try dulu keluar dia tengok macam mana. Tapi tak payah tengok lah, sebenarnya memang sedap lah Kak Yu masak. Semua sedap. And rasa dia sedap lah. Dia punya rasa ngam gila. Pedas just nice. Rasa lemak dia tak boleh lah, tak tahu lah cakap macam mana. So yeah, I recommend you guys to try this recipe. So let's eat a bit with the rice lah. Sedap dia. Tak epok. Bye.
Nice, right? What? Hello. What's your favorite inside?
I want brinjal.
Brinjal.
Nice. Your brinjal. Best in the world. Sorry. sorry take all the brinjal.
So I nak try the green curry chicken yang Kak Yung bagi just now. So okay, I'm gonna put a bit more kuah. Take a piece of the chicken. Sedap. I think you guys should try the recipe sebab rasanya quite authentic to like Thai punya green curry. Sedap.
Okay, so dah tengok dah semua review daripada semua like the whole Apronfools team. Last thing, jangan lupa subscribe to our channel Apronfools. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to try this recipe at home. See you in another video. Bye.